Most people think selling is about being a fast talker. They think it's about having the gift of gab, or tricking someone into buying something they don't actually need. They are wrong. If you look at the greatest closers in history, from Steve Jobs to the top 1% of enterprise sellers, they all follow a specific psychological blueprint. They don't sell products, they sell outcomes. By the end of this video, you will understand the 4 pillars of persuasion that allow you to sell any product, service, or even an idea to anyone, anywhere. The first pillar is understanding the pain versus pleasure gap. Humans are biologically wired to do 2 things: avoid pain and seek pleasure. But here is the kicker. We will work 10 times harder to avoid pain than we will to gain pleasure. To sell anything, you must first identify the gap. First, identify the current state. Where is your prospect right now, and what keeps them up at night? Then, identify the desired state. Where do they actually want to be? Your product is not just a thing. Your product is the bridge across that gap. For example, you aren't selling a $500 vacuum cleaner. You are selling the relief of a clean home for a parent whose child has allergies. You are selling time saved on chores. The second pillar is the art of disarming. The moment someone realizes they are being sold to, their mental defenses go up. To sell effectively, you have to disarm them. You do this by leading with empathy and inquiry, not a pitch. Follow the 80-20 rule. Let the prospect speak 80% of the time while you speak 20%. You should also label the fear. If you know your product is expensive, say it first. By saying, "I'll be honest, this isn't the cheapest option on the market." You create instant credibility. When you acknowledge the elephant in the room, the prospect stops looking for the catch and starts listening to the value. The third pillar is balancing logical justification with emotional pull. There is a famous saying in sales: people buy on emotion and justify with logic. If you only sell on emotion, the customer will have buyer's remorse tomorrow. If you only sell on logic through features and specs, they'll need to think about it forever. The winning formula is to use storytelling to paint a picture of what their life looks like after the purchase to trigger the emotion, then provide the data, the ROI, and the technical facts to give their brain the evidence it needs to defend the purchase to others later. The final pillar is the closing framework. You've built the bridge, disarmed them, and balanced the scales. Now you need to ask for the yes. Most people fail here because they make it awkward. Instead of asking a weak question like, "Do you want to buy it?" use the alternative choice close. Say something like, "Based on what we discussed, it seems like the Pro plan fits your needs best. Should we get started with the onboarding this Monday, or is Tuesday better for you?" By giving 2 yes options, you move the conversation from if they are buying to how they are buying. Selling isn't about manipulation, it's about movement. It's moving someone from a place of dissatisfaction to a place of solution. Master the psychology, and you master the market. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the subscribe button for more deep dives into human psychology and business growth.